For me, it was always the philosophy of IWC to make it a little bit better.
I think we have a very beautiful story. We produce timepieces for an eternity. It's going through your life in the ups and downs.
It means a lot to the people owning our product, but also it means a lot to the people making the product.
We develop beautiful timepieces today, but a lot of the inspiration is based on Kurt Klaus's ingenious ideas.
He's a very, very humble man. Had such a great influence on this company, but never made a big fuss about it. The 70s was a very tough time for the entire watch industry.
We knew quartz cannot be the future. We have to stick to mechanical watches.
Kurt came into play when he was commissioned to create IWC's first in-house Perpetual calendar.
The Perpetual calendar is a very complicated mechanism who shows the day, the date, the month, the year, the leap year and the moon phase.
But there are other brands producing perpetual calendars. I want to make something completely different, something never existing before. But there was nobody here. And so I started by myself. I had my drawing board, that's all. I had my logarithmic tables to calculate. I have to make everything by myself. Make prototype parts by hand.
I know that when he developed the Perpetual calendar for IWC Schaffhausen, that he was working months and months on his own. He had his mission, right? He wanted to come up with this best ever, easiest to operate Perpetual calendar. And he did it.
End of 1984, I thought now the first complete calendar I have now.
It was not just a beautiful complication watch, but this product helped us to put IWC back on the map of fine watchmaking. But it was really also a milestone for in-house movement and complications in the years to come.
Perpetual calendar Kurt Klaus invented in the 80s is the blueprint of IWC engineering.
It became the most famous Perpetual calendar. One year we sold more Perpetual calendars than the rest of the Swiss watch industry put together.
He just decided to become a watchmaker, not necessarily with a big vision of becoming the master watchmaker of IWC. I mean, he was just doing his job.
When I see some new models, I can think, but the base of this is from me.
Kurt embodies dedication, passion, the love for what he is doing, and the love for the people around him.
Today I'm I'm alone now. I lost my wife in June, but I said, the life continue, it must continue, and I'm very happy. In my old years, I have no more wife, but I have my good family, and I have IWC.